9 new things that are banned on flights in 2025. Most travelers still pack them. Flying in 2025 feels like stepping onto a minefield of hidden rules. Yesterday's essentials, smart water bottles, herbal sleep aids, even a harmless protein shake, now trigger confiscations and missed flights. While you've been busy untying shoes and counting liquids, airlines and the TSA quietly outlawed items millions still pack. What sailed through last year could now get you pulled aside or denied boarding. The airlines aren't broadcasting these changes, which means seasoned travelers like you are getting blindsided. I'm exposing the 9 surprise bans catching smart travelers off guard, plus a bonus secret that could spare your perfectly legal gear. Learn them and you'll glide past the X-ray while others queue for secondary screening. Let's dive in. Starting with number 9, smart water bottles with built-in electronics. Most travelers think any reusable water bottle is fair game, but here's what the TSA doesn't want you to discover. Those high-tech smart bottles are causing major security delays. We're talking about bottles with Bluetooth syncing, temperature sensors, or wireless charging pads. The TSA has quietly added smart bottles to their additional screening list because of embedded batteries and hidden wiring. At Atlanta Hartsfield, one traveler's $80 bottle completely shut down the security line when scanners flagged a lithium cell in the base. Here's the insider truth. If your bottle connects to an app or has any charging port, it's subject to intensive inspection. In some cases, agents reject them outright rather than deal with testing every wire and battery. Pro tip: stick to regular stainless steel or BPA-free bottles without electronics. You'll save money and avoid explaining why your water bottle needs Wi-Fi. But here's where it gets really interesting. The next item could actually get you detained at international airports. Number 8. External hard drives with encryption software. This isn't about weight limits or tangled wires, it's about data security, and most business travelers have no idea. As cybersecurity threats rise, multiple countries including China, Russia, and parts of the Middle East have implemented strict restrictions on encrypted digital storage devices. In 2025, several travelers reported having encrypted drives confiscated or seized for inspection at international airports. One journalist traveling to Beijing had his external SSD seized and was denied entry until the drive was wiped clean. The airline never warned him, and the embassy couldn't help. How to protect yourself. If your trip includes countries with digital data control laws, consider cloud backup instead of physical drives. Or encrypt your data only after arrival. Pro tip: even TSA-approved drives can be problematic if you're connecting through certain international airports. Always check digital import laws of every country on your itinerary, not just your final destination. Think that's invasive? Just wait until you hear about the next category. It affects something millions of seniors carry daily. Number 7. Certain supplements and herbal remedies. Airlines are betting you don't know about this one because supplements like melatonin and CBD were already under scrutiny. But in 2025, the restricted list has exploded. Items like kratom, St. John's wort, or high-potency sleep aids now fall under restricted substance categories in several countries. Even worse, the TSA has begun detaining unbranded supplement bottles for field testing if contents look suspicious. In Miami, a wellness blogger had $200 worth of imported herbal capsules confiscated by agents who couldn't verify contents. The supplements were completely legal but weren't in original packaging, so they were treated as potential drugs. Here's exactly what to do. Carry only sealed, clearly labeled supplements, preferably mainstream brands. Anything in Ziploc bags, pill organizers, or unlabeled containers can be flagged as suspicious, even if perfectly legal. Pro tip: if you use a weekly pill organizer, take a photo of original supplement bottles with your phone. It won't guarantee passage, but gives you documentation if questioned. What if I told you there's something even more surprising that's getting frequent flyers in trouble at security? Number 6. Compressed gas cartridges. You might know CO2 cartridges for life vests need approval, but here's what they're not telling you. In 2025, this rule extended to beauty gadgets, travel razors, and even facial misters using pressurized gas. One traveler flying out of JFK had her $120 micro-misting skincare device confiscated when TSA agents found it contained a non-removable gas capsule. She had no idea her beauty routine was now a security threat. The new rule bans all pressurized cartridges unless declared, labeled, and falling under strict size limits. This affects travel razors, mini airbrushes, and even portable soda machines like SodaStream accessories. What to say at security? I have a pressurized device that needs inspection before putting your bag through the scanner. Don't let them discover it. Declare it. Pro tip: TSA now advises passengers to assume anything under pressure is restricted, especially if it's in spray or misting format. When in doubt, check it in luggage or leave it home. But here's where it gets really frustrating. The next item could get your protein powder confiscated. Now, if you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover these hidden changes. And if you want more airline secrets and senior travel hacks, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. Number 5. Powdered substances over 12 ounces. It's no longer just about liquids. The TSA has quietly cracked down on powders over 12 ounces, especially if they're not in original packaging. That means protein powders, baby formula, powdered milk, and even powdered drink mixes can trigger secondary screening or outright confiscation. A fitness enthusiast flying from Phoenix had his whey protein binned because it was stored in an unmarked plastic bag. Agents treated it as a potential chemical threat until proven otherwise. Spices, baking mixes, and cosmetic powders like setting powder or foot powder also fall under this rule. One grandmother's homemade spice blend for her grandchildren was confiscated because it wasn't in a labeled container. The magic phrase, keep powders in labeled sealed containers, and if you're carrying over the limit, consider checking it or pre-mixing before travel. Pro tip: if you must travel with large amounts of powder, bring original packaging and a receipt. It's your best defense against suspicious agents. Think that's restrictive? The next rule affects something millions of travelers rely on for peace of mind. Number 4. Certain Bluetooth trackers in checked baggage. AirTag lovers, listen up. As of mid-2025, some international carriers have banned real-time Bluetooth tracking devices like AirTags in checked baggage, citing interference concerns with aircraft systems. Lufthansa, Korean Air, and several Middle Eastern airlines updated their terms of carriage, stating that Bluetooth devices transmitting constantly without passenger control present ongoing signal activity that interferes with aircraft telemetry. One traveler flying from New York to Berlin had to remove her AirTag from checked suitcase or leave the bag behind. The TSA hasn't implemented a blanket rule yet, but they've issued a review in progress statement. This means rules vary wildly by airline and region. What you need to know: you can still use trackers in carry-ons, but for checked bags, always double-check your specific airline's policy before tossing a tracker into luggage. Pro tip: international flights with layovers in stricter regions are especially problematic. When in doubt, keep your tracker in carry-on where you maintain control. But here's something that'll really surprise you. The next ban affects how you pack lunch. Number 3. DIY snack packs wrapped in aluminum foil. Homemade snacks are still allowed, but not if they're wrapped in foil. And most travelers have no idea why. The TSA's upgraded scanners flag aluminum-wrapped items as opaque anomalies, often leading to full bag searches and significant delays. A mom flying with kids from Denver packed sandwiches in foil and ended up with her bag delayed for 30 minutes while agents manually inspected everything. Even worse, multiple foil items stacked together, like wrapped burritos or candy bars, can resemble weapon parts or contraband shapes in X-ray scans. The agents aren't being difficult. Their equipment literally can't see through foil. The simple solution: use clear plastic wrap or transparent containers instead. The TSA isn't banning your food. They're asking you to pack it in a way that doesn't slow down the line. Pro tip: if you're meal prepping for your flight, keep it foil-free and easy to inspect at a glance. Your fellow passengers will thank you for not holding up security. What if I told you the next item could get you in trouble even if it's perfectly legal where you bought it? Number 2. Select e-cigarettes and disposable vapes. In early 2025, the TSA banned specific disposable vape models that were found to contain unregulated lithium battery cells that pose fire risks. While e-cigarettes are still generally allowed in carry-on, certain brands with known overheating risks, especially imported or counterfeit models, have been blacklisted. The TSA now uses serial numbers and visual recognition systems to flag banned units automatically. A traveler at LAX had their disposable vape confiscated not because of nicotine content, but because the battery model was flagged by the FAA as a fire hazard. The device looked identical to legal versions, but the internal battery was the problem. How to stay safe. If you're unsure whether your vape is on the restricted list, either leave it behind or contact TSA Cares ahead of your flight for clarification. Pro tip: brands from smaller or foreign manufacturers are especially vulnerable to sudden bans. Stick to well-known US-approved brands if you must travel with vaping devices. But here's the most shocking restriction of all. It involves something you probably have in your medicine cabinet right now. Number 1. Popular over-the-counter medications in certain countries. This one's the most dangerous because it can get you arrested, not just delayed. In the US, medications like pseudoephedrine or diphenhydramine are common over-the-counter drugs. But in 2025, several countries have tightened restrictions, and what's legal in America could be considered narcotics elsewhere. Japan, the UAE, and even Nigeria now classify some of these as controlled substances. One traveler transiting through Dubai was detained briefly for carrying allergy pills that are completely illegal there, even though they're sold at every American pharmacy. The critical action step: always check international medication restrictions before flying abroad, especially if your trip includes multiple stopovers. Some countries require a doctor's note or prescription even for Advil or sleep aids. Pro tip: the TSA won't stop you, but border control might. Print out documentation from your doctor for any medications you're carrying, even common ones. Bonus insider secret: here's what most travelers don't realize. Bans aren't just about dangerous items, they're about uncertainty. Anything the scanner can't clearly identify gets flagged for manual inspection. That means unfamiliar packaging, off-brand electronics, or unmarked powders and pills can cause delays even if they're technically legal. Airports now use AI image recognition and manual checks, and if the system can't immediately determine what an item is, it's easier to confiscate than debate. A woman flying from Seattle lost a perfectly legal battery-powered travel fan just because it had no branding and a blinking LED light. No rule was broken, but she didn't get the fan back. What you can do instead: stay updated with the TSA's What Can I Bring tool on their website. It's frequently updated with 2025's evolving list. For international flights, always check the IATA Dangerous Goods Guide or your airline's baggage rules before packing anything high-tech, medicinal, or unusual. Final pro tip: when in doubt, leave it out or move it to the checked bag after confirming it's allowed. Keep receipts and original labels for supplements, tech items, and medications. It could be the difference between smooth check-in and getting pulled aside for interrogation. So, which of these restrictions actually surprised you? Have you ever been caught off guard by one of these new rules? Maybe even missed a flight because of it? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could save another traveler from the same headache. And if you're looking to avoid even more hidden travel traps, check out our Cruise Pro channel's latest video, 16 Hidden Cruise Tricks Cruise Lines Don't Want You to Know. You'll discover cruise secrets that could completely change your next vacation. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more insider travel advice, and share this video with a friend who's flying soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, wishing you safe and smooth travels.